Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I am here at the AACD convention speaking and attending. I'm getting some CE. This is the pinnacle convention for me. I have learned so much at this academy over the last almost 30 years. I went through the accreditation process. I learned a lot about ceramics, and I brought that in the CAD/CAM when I integrated that into my workflow at the office, and it's become my passion. Today I'm teaching a class on texturing e.max, which I love to do. I love to texture to create that fingerprint, right? And then we're going to use MIO 850 to learn how to master e.max anteriorly with one firing, if possible. And we can do that once we build our skill set. Now we're going to start our journey on a pre-fired e.max so we can learn that workflow and addition. What we want to do is add the low value first, kind of build out that incisal edge, and then bring in some highlights and make some creativity happen. And then what we're going to do is texture a second restoration while that's firing and use that same technique on a pre-fired e.max. It's going to be fun to see what happens. This group here is very talented. Actually, all the groups I work with are very talented, but this group is really focused on aesthetics. So I find that they have a really good natural eye, and we're going to have some lab technicians in the group. That'll be a lot of fun. I've learned most of what I do from the lab technicians, and it's really an honor to speak at this convention. I never take it for granted. If you haven't attended the AACD and you're into CAD/CAM, chairside, or whatever you do, even if you're not into CAD/CAM, it would be a great academy to attend. It's the pinnacle of what I call aesthetic functional dentistry, whether it be front teeth, comprehensive care, implants, you name it, printing and exocad, pre-diagnostics, and making these shell smile temps. It's taking over this academy. There's a lot of classes on it, so it's definitely staying up with the forefront of dentistry. I'm gonna go down and get some breakfast.